Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing precise tools and a safe workspace. Power off the iPhone X and remove the SIM tray so nothing powers on unexpectedly. Once done, warm the lower edge with a heat source to soften the display adhesive. About 40 to 50 degrees Celsius is enough. Then remove the two pentalobe screws beside the lightning port and attach a suction handle near the bottom edge. Make sure to maintain anti-static precautions. This first set of actions gives you safe access to open the display. You open the display carefully, hinge it from the right like a book, and prop it up so flex cables aren't strained. Next, remove the small shield screws and disconnect the battery connector first to prevent shorts. Then disconnect the display and antenna connectors to free the assembly. Once the logic board area is exposed, remove the camera bracket screws and lift the rear camera module straight up. Make sure to handle the delicate flex cables and camera sensors by the edges so alignment tabs and connectors remain intact. You install the new camera by seating it squarely into its socket and pressing the connector until it clicks. Then reinstall the camera bracket and torque the screws snugly. Once reassembled, reconnect the display and battery connectors, then power on the phone to test photo, video, and Face ID cameras. Make sure the camera app opens and autofocus works. If everything passes, power off, replace new adhesive strips along the frame, align and press the display down, and finish with the two pentalobe screws. Troubleshooting tip: if camera shows black or error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.